Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. Scorpios. So, if you want more clarity, if you have some doubts or confusion, you can watch that reading, Scorpios. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies. So, we have Four of Fire. These cards must be read straight, guys. Page of Water and Empress. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling very confident about yourself, confident about your strengths and talents, and you see a lot of opportunity or possibilities because you have that inspiration overwhelming you and you're brimming with potential, brimming with that positivity today in your circumstances. And you may have your deep down in your heart of hearts, you may feel truly inspired to achieve something. Maybe you're thinking of some new path in your career or uh, some kind of inspiration, and all that experience you had in your life has made you ripe with knowledge and has empowered you, made you really confident to face whatever comes your way today. And maybe in this relationship you are happy to be with this person, happy, feeling cheerful, inspired to be here with them, and you love this person. You have mutual understanding, trust, and things are going in a very positive way. You know each other very well. There is a great intimacy and a beautiful relationship unfolding today. So, in this connection, you are building a strong, positive, a mutual relationship. You are cheerful, and this person is also cheerful, and you are inspiring each other, and you are feeling really adventurous to be here with this person because you are feeling really happy, confident about the way things are going in this connection. And maybe you are stepping up to that next step, maybe thinking of marriage or commitment because you love this person, you simply love to be here with them, you relish their company, and you are in sync with them. That mutual understanding, trust, love, friendship is there in this connection, and you are really friendly, and you're creating magic together, Scorpios, in this connection. So maybe this may be the person you are uh, maybe thinking of marriage or a long term commitment, and you are thinking of marriage to them today, guys. So, some positive inspiration, happiness, joy, contentment is what I see with these cards for your relationship. So, we picked one other card and Star. Again, a positive card. So, there is a new beginning, new change, there is a freshness coming your way. So, maybe you are moving to that next step of commitment or marriage. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship. So for your career, we picked one card. We will see what it is. And it says Hierophant. So in your work circumstances, maybe you need to have that cool head, feeling really inspired and confident. Maybe your ideas are something, and maybe the people you work with, they may have different ideas. So if you want to be really balanced, have that peace of mind in your career circumstances, if you are interested, you can take up meditation, guys. That is going to help you, that is going to empower you, because with all these cards we saw that you are really inspired, confident, and the reason maybe you are doing some spiritual practice, or if you are not interested, or if you have not tried meditation, you can go for it. That is going to help you a lot, help you keep that balanced mind, see your circumstances from a higher perspective, so that way you will be able to make the right choices today, Scorpios, and things are really falling into place in your work situation also, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. So it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Sodalite. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today in your circumstances, you are healing from some circumstance you have been through. And healing does not mean that you need to be perfect, but you must be aware of the truth that you are a divine being and you're always connected to the universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it. And that higher spirit or that conscious universe wants always the best for you. And you need to understand that when you know that you have that divine link, that unbreakable bond with that higher power, you will see your circumstance from a higher perspective, and you will not go back to your old patterns, whatever you wanted to move away from, guys. So that higher spirit can guide you where you need to be today. Maybe if you do not know what should be your next decision, maybe you are deciding something and you are not clear about those choices, you just need to meditate, be silent for some time, and you will get that answer you need. And you must always be present, be aware of your actions, be aware of your circumstances. When you do that, you will create your own future, whatever you wish for, and you will move towards your dreams and goals, whatever that may be. And it boosts your self confidence and inner strength to hold on to whatever dreams or goals or whatever we want to do. So, those intentions, positive intentions. So, you will have that courage to hold on to all those positive intentions and your goals or aspirations, whatever it is. And this crystal uh, card is about that, guys. It is about non attachment in any circumstance and seeing your circumstance from a higher perspective. So you will make the right choice without a speck of selfishness, and you are going to make that from a higher ground, feeling really balanced and peaceful at heart. So, when you make such decisions, you will never go wrong. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. So, let's see what is the second card for you all. We will see the second card. So, for those who chose this card, Snow White, purity. So, with this card, it just means that maybe in your circumstances, you have faced a lot. Maybe you have seen so much evil. You have seen people rejecting you or people really envious of you. But whatever bad things you have seen till now, it's not been enough to change you, because you are someone pure hearted, you are a pure soul, uncorrupted. And that is the beauty of your character. And maybe today your that beauty is going to shine. And even when others try to harm you and they are really bitter to you and they consider you as their rival, however they are towards you, you never reciprocate that. You never take revenge on those people. You just see evil, but you do not go for those what to say toxic feelings. You are someone pure hearted and you're going to come out of these tests successfully, and your kindness will be rewarded. There will be trying times you are seeing today, maybe some challenges in your work or even in your relationship, but you are going to win, and you are someone really loving, caring, trustworthy person. And all that evil, whatever you faced, has not touched your heart. And you are a very pure soul. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you are good to everyone, and that goodness is coming back to you multifold, guys. And your kindness will always be rewarded. So you need not feel that you are really kind and compassionate, but people are not like that towards you. They are showing their angry side to you. You need not worry about all that, because with this card I see that your good nature is going to be rewarded today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.